Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up a UniFi network for Home Assistant Discovery, detailed guide step by step clearly. To set up a UniFi network for Home Assistant Discovery, begin by ensuring your UniFi controller is up and running. Log in to your UniFi controller interface. Navigate to the Settings section. Select Networks from the menu. Click on Create New Network. Name your network something recognizable, like Home Assistant. For VLAN, select No VLAN unless you want to isolate Home Assistant on its own network. Save your new network configuration. Next, go to the Devices section. Select your UniFi access point from the list. Click on Configure for the chosen access point. Set the SSID to the one you previously created, ensuring it matches. Now, enable wireless networks under the access point settings. Apply changes and wait for the access point to reboot if necessary. Once the access point is online, open your Home Assistant interface. Access the configuration file by navigating to Configuration in the sidebar. Open the YAML configuration editor. Add the UniFi integration by inserting the following code: YAML UniFi, controllers, host, your UniFi controller I. Enter your UniFi username and password accordingly. Be cautious with spaces and indentation in YAML syntax. Save your changes in the configuration editor. Next, go to Settings and then Integrations in Home Assistant. Click on the Add Integration button. Search for UniFi from the list. Follow the prompts to complete the integration setup. After successfully adding the UniFi integration, restart Home Assistant. Check the logs for any errors related to the UniFi integration. Once restarted, Home Assistant should automatically discover devices on your UniFi network. Review the entities added to ensure all devices are recognized. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.